The Slavs have a good tradition after the hunger times. Grow a whole bunch of food in the countryside just in case and don't eat it. And every autumn the Slavs' homes are filled with fruit and vegetables. It's a shame to throw them away, but there are too many of them. Then it's time to cook. So, first we need some kind of berries. Today it's a cherry. Who are you? Where are you crawling?
Hello, Mark! I'm a Slavic caterpillar!
Do you like Soviet Union?
No! Don't you see I'm not red?
Oh, then it's okay. It looks like it's a little spaceship between the stars. Space finger is coming. That's why you want to wash your farmer organic vegetables very hard. Jump here. Where are you going? He's doing some break dance. Come on, sit on my finger. Yeah.
Hi, Comrade!
So, like I said, today it's a cherry. So today's pirog is the hardest pirog ever. After all, the cherries have to be freed from the seeds. So you turn on some TV show, you take a garlic press, and off you go. Yes, the Soviet garlic press also presses cherry seeds. A life fact that not all Slavs know. There is a whole day's worth of suffering hidden in here. There is like 1.5 kilograms. Take some sugar, 400 grams. Not pounds, not miles. Okay, if you are so American or British, 14 Oz. And add it in there. And mix it a little or a lot. If you boil it for like 5 hours, you will get some варенье, cherry jam. But we will not stay here for 5 hours. We've already spent 5 hours on cherries. Вот так, вот так, вот так, блядь. Half of teaspoon of salt, a touch of lemon juice. I like to add some vanilla, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cinnamon. I don't have it blended, so 1 stick of cinnamon. Look how beautiful it is, блять. Now we need a half of glass of water. But why use water when you have the cherry vodka? It is the cherry pie, it is the cherry vodka, homemade настойка in a sport bottle. Because it is our sport to drink vodka. A glass and 1 shot of vodka. It will be tastier. 8 tablespoons of starch. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. Cherry vodka with starch. Mix it a little or a lot. Let's reduce the fire. Pour it in the pot. Whee! And now wait for it to start boiling. Smells like the вареники with cherries or the cherry pirogi if you are from Poland. Oh, it's getting thick. Can I taste it? So hot. Now put it away and wait for it to cool. And meanwhile we'll make a dough. Tastes like jam from McDonald's cherry pie. And now хоп, 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 блять. Bring some mixer or your bare mighty hands, comrade. Pour the 400 grams of flour. Here we go. You can use as much as you want. You have your freedom for art and improvisation. Now put there some vanilla or Soviet fake vanilla, a teaspoon of salt and some sugar, as much as you like. But if you are on a diet, the next ingredient you will not like. A pack of butter. Slice it into the bowl. Yeah, somebody touched the cow titties for that. But don't worry, they like it. The cows. And maybe the farmers. Your job should bring joy both of you. And now put it in our death machine. Or you can use your bare hands. There's a Slavic tradition that says the food is always gets better when it's made with bare hands. When you make something with bare hands, you make it with love. I don't know, why can't you say this mixer loves you? This is a good mixer. It loves us. Pay some respect to robots. And now mix it. Slowly. Calmly, don't put your fingers inside. Come on, look, this is his power of love. How deep can we dive? It's shaking. Yes, we are making cherry pie. Your favorite dessert, yeah. Just don't blow up. You can say it looks like dust. It is called shortbread. Why is it short? I don't know. We call it sand bread. Why is it called sand? I don't know. I tried sand. It's not as good as you might think. And the cookies from this dough are called sand cookies. Put out your blade and pour your dough right on table. Here we go. And if you are tight already, please use your pre-dinner snack, the sausage with the mayonnaise. Oh, I'm having a little problems, so now my little assistant will work. If it is really too dry, you can make some hole and pour some water, like this. While doing this, think about your family, about your beloved people, how you make them fat. It is the long process, but it is worth it. Now you put the dough in a bag, like this, and put the bag in the fridge for 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
And now, when it is cold and good, let's make it flat. Cut a little for your future. And now, let's make it flat. Yeah! Now take your old trusty form and try to move your dough inside. Calmly, with love. Don't worry if you make some mistakes like me. We will fix them. It is not a rocket science, it's a kitchen science. You see, it is not so hard, it just takes time. And now, it's time to pour your cherry into this bowl. Be careful, it is cold outside, but it is hot inside. And this jam I will eat myself. Now, let's make some beauties. Take your little Pac-Man and make it flat. We need it to become a flat blin. Now take your knife and make the stripes. Like this. Place it like this. Do you see it, my friend? You can say, we don't have enough dough. What can we do? Don't worry, the leftovers. Play with it a little and work with it a little again. That's enough. Raise your strings a little and do this crap. Hop, 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 hop. Like this. Press it inside. Again, if you make some mistakes, remember, there is a popular channel called Kate's Cooking. I love it. And in the end, from the leftovers, let's make some farfalle, блять. Mamma mia, olive oil. It's like a small bow. Use some foil to catch the leaks. Place it on your tray, turn on your oven and set its temperature to 220 degrees. If you are not using the metric system, then use it. Wait until it heats up. And now, put your pirog pie in the oven. Come on. For 35 minutes. And now, you can rest a little. Oh, it is ready. Let's get it out. Oba! It's overcooked a little, my farfalle. Stop it. But it's okay. And now, the second hard part. You have to wait again.
2 hours later.
Okay, we waited a little. And now, while our kettle is boiling, let's try to get this pie out of its metal cage. Look at this. Yeah. So, after like an hour, you can make yourself a big cup of tea, get your pie out of the fridge and cut for yourself a big, generous slice of the pie. Also, you can just buy puff pastry and make little pies. Then you get exactly the same pies as you get at McDonald's. Bon appetit, comrade! And that's all for today. My name is Mark. Subscribe, comment, like and see you next time. Блять!